Well, hey there. I wanted to tell you about this amazing Trailblazer kit that was just offered by my company and to show you the books that are inside. It is phenomenal, and I'm really excited to offer these. This is an $8.99 book. This is a new book we got at convention. I just arrived home yesterday from it. It was amazing. You have to be there next year. On my team, the Wonder Women and Supermen, we're looking for women and men who would like a part-time or full-time job sharing children's books with America. We are so excited about our mission to promote literacy and equip families with the very best in books. In fact, I brought home our new books and my kids have already enjoyed them, which is really a good feeling. So going to convention meant giving them good books and having access to a ton more. So when you join Usborne Books and More, you actually get 25% cash back for your own, and you can also promote and get 33% cash back on anything that you buy. But what I love about it is actually reaching people through book fairs and parties to actually get friends together, schools together, to really power through our literacy crisis here in America. This is a new book. You guys, look, mine is autographed by Peter Usborne. I'm so excited. Now, the one in the kit probably won't be autographed, but it was really cool to meet him this weekend. This is a book with reusable stickers, all better, hugely popular. And this is a Shine-a-Light book. Wonders of the USA comes in the kit. So I have 11 of these books here. I'm going to show you the insides of them, and you get a feel for all of the books you get in this $89 Trailblazer kit. The other kits are still available, where they're for $75 and $125 each, and all of them are free shipping, which is amazing. Nibbles is such a cute little dude. He nibbles his way through lots of fairy tales, causing a ton of trouble, and oh, I won't expose the end for you. Those are 11 of the 15 books. The other 4 books I don't have here to show you are 100 Birds to Fly, General Knowledge Crosswords, Survival Skills Handbook, and I didn't want to forget it, Chef Academy, which is a brand new book. So of the 15, 5 of them are actually new titles you've never seen before. So if you've been on the fence or on the bookcase waiting to see if you're going to join our amazing team, go for it right now. I'll post the link in the comments below, and I'll also post a link to more information if you're just feeling it out. I'd love to answer your questions. Make sure we touch base, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely day.